If you are suffering from constipation, if your stomach does not feel completely clear, or if you often feel heaviness in your stomach, then try this remedy, my friend, in the morning, after going to the bathroom, if your stomach doesn't empty properly, and you have to apply too much force, which causes stomach pain throughout the day, then my friend, you are already suffering from constipation. One thing you must keep in mind is never to ignore constipation. Because along with stomach pain, burning sensations, and heaviness, constipation also directly affects our liver. Gradually, the liver becomes weaker and is unable to digest food properly. As a result, fat starts accumulating in the stomach, which makes us gain weight. At the same time, if the liver does not function properly, it badly affects our skin and hair. Hair fall becomes a common problem. According to Ayurveda, if our stomach remains clean and works properly, then 42 different diseases can never affect us. That is why, my friend, you must never ignore constipation. Today I will share with you one such remedy that will not only relieve constipation but also cure problems like stomach burning and heaviness very easily. So let's find out how to prepare it. Before that, let me tell you, today we will learn 2 methods to clean the stomach. One of them can be prepared and stored for many days. The second one must be taken only at night. And by morning, your stomach will be completely clean. But remember, you should use only one of the remedies, not both at the same time. For this, you will need fennel seeds, carom seeds, ajwain, a little black salt, and dry cumin seeds. Take 2 tablespoons of carom seeds, ajwain, and put them in an empty bowl. Carom seeds are very effective in quickly clearing the stomach and relieving stomach pain caused by gas. Next, take dry cumin seeds. If they feel slightly moist, you should dry them under sunlight first. Now add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds into the bowl. After adding both ingredients, my friend, roast them lightly on low heat. After roasting them for about 2 minutes, they will become slightly crispy, and you will notice a very nice aroma. They will look something like this. Next, I will add fennel seeds. Take 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds and mix them in. Fennel is very effective for improving digestion and removing waste stuck inside the stomach. Now, add half a tablespoon of black salt to the mixture. Then mix everything well with a spoon. After mixing, grind all the ingredients properly. Once ground, your herbal powder, churn, will be ready. The powder will look something like this. This churn is very useful for clearing the waste stored in the stomach and relieving constipation. Now let's see how to use it. Take 1 glass of lukewarm water, and add half a spoon of this churn into it. Stir it well for 1 to 2 minutes so that it mixes properly. Consume this remedy 1 hour after your meal. You can take it during the day after meals or at night before going to bed. You only need to take it once a day. By the next morning, all the waste stuck in your stomach will be cleared, and your stomach will feel light and clean. Now let's come to the second method. At night, take a glass of warm milk and add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Stir it well and then drink it. Castor oil is very effective for cleansing the stomach and quickly removing heaviness and constipation. It tastes a little bitter, but you will see results very quickly. Drink it before going to bed, and by morning, your stomach will be completely cleared. Out of these 2 remedies, my friend, you should choose only one. Take it before bedtime, and by the next morning, your constipation problem will be completely gone. This churn can be prepared once and stored for many days. But remember one important thing, you must use only one of the remedies. And only once per day. So friends, that's all for today's information. If you liked it, please let me know. Thank you. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to ask me in the comments. I will try to reply as soon as possible. That's it for today, friends. I'll see you again with another new video. If you found this little tip useful, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.